What is 1/6 of 36? So it's the same idea, 1/6 times 36 over 1. So excuse me. So now we follow the process of multiplying across on the top, multiplying across on the bottom when we do multiplication. But we can take one step ahead of time to see if we can simplify. And the way we simplify is we look at numbers on the bottom and on the top and see if we can have some common factors that we can divide by. And 36 and 6 have common factors. We can divide this by by 6, and divide this by 6. So 36 divided by 6 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. And now we multiply across with these new numbers. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 1 equals 1, which is simply 6.